50,000 followers, that's wild, and thank you. But instead of typical milestone post, I want to do something different. Rather than opening Figma and manually design a celebration post, I let AI take the wheel. I used Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Tray to generate a unique celebrated design. No pixel pushing. It is just me guiding the AI like a creative director. In this video, I will show how I collaborated with AI to design Neo-Brutalist design posts and push AI-driven creativity limits. Let's see how far we can go. Today I gained my 15,000 followers in LinkedIn, and one of the things that I want to do is to create a post of celebration, but I will do it in another technique that I find very interesting in the last week, and that instead of start to design something, to take it to Figma and think about the concept, I talk with the AI model and ask it to design for me based on information I give it. For example, I can add styles, typography, and start to iterate. I start from blank page here, HTML file. To do it, I will use Claude 3.5 Sonnet in Trey. If you don't know Trey, it's like Cursor or Windsurf, a software where AI write for you the code. Let's put it simple. So I will start from blank page, explain to the AI what I want to do, and let's see how to iterate. Here's my prompt: act like a graphic designer. I am a designer who celebrates 50,000 LinkedIn followers. I want you to design a post for me. The size is 1000 pixel height and width 1500 pixels. Let's add here pixels so it will understand it better. I ask it to add the text 50,000 followers, and at the end, if you have a visual design that can fit, please provide it to me. Let's add something here like Neo-Brutalism or minimal design. Okay, just fix here the errors. Perfect. So let's copy that one, paste it in Tray, and let's see the result. First of all, on Tray, I need to open a folder. This is the folder. Inside, I have one HTML file, as you can see here, but I need to select the folder. So let's select it, open, paste the prompt, hit the button, and let's wait to see the result. And again, what I do now is I ask the AI to design for me. I give it a little bit of guidelines, but not more. I not move fixers or something more. Okay, so it asked me some questions. It said that it can help me to write HTML CSS file, provide technical specification from implementation. So what I will do now, I will ask it to create the post in HTML or CSS because this is the language the software talk. I write it here, please create the post in HTML and CSS. So it will be able to create the post because it's not a graphic software, it's code. So we need to talk with the same language. Okay, it's create the design, it's explain what it does. And here you can see all the code. I apply it here and here. And now we have the visual design. Let's see the result now. It's created for me new file, so basically I don't need that one. I will take the HTML, add it here, and you can see the post. Quite interesting, to be honest, but let's play with it a little bit more. First of all, I wanted the aspect ratio will be a little bit smaller so I can see the full screen instead of making zoom out. I will ask now the chat to create the card in the same aspect ratio but a little bit smaller so it will be easier to me to see it in the browser and not so big. I will work now with the builder and not with the chat because it's make the process a little bit more automatic. I paste here, keep the same aspect ratio, but reduce the size by 50%. So let's see what you will get now. It's make the changes, I accept them. Let's see the result. Here is the old one. This is the new one. As you can see now, we can see everything in 100% without zoom out. Okay, next thing that I want to do is to add a little bit more design, something more attractive. I will talk like we talk with clients or between designers, make it pop, for example, the famous one. Let's open Trey. I write here, I want the design to be more attractive. It is boring now. Can you do it for me? Let's run and see the result. If it's finished, it explains what it does, like add beautiful gradient background, implemented floating animation, interesting. And I accept everything. Let's see the result. See the design is better than read about it. Here's the old one. Click on refresh. Yes, and I can see that it improved the visual design a little bit more interesting. But let's take it one step forward. I'm now in Tray. I add this prompt. Thank you. Please make it more pop. It needs to reflect the celebration and add more Neo-Brutalism character. As you can see, I got the AI with words that we talk between designers, not very specific about move pixels. And it's very different than the way we design up to now. I trust the AI to make the work for me. It's finished. As always, it's explaining what it does, but I want to see the visual. It's more easier for me to understand the design. Accept all. You can see one thing that is interesting that it's add here confetti. We will have maybe surprise here. Here is the old design. Let's refresh and see the new design. And wow, that's very cool. To be honest, my natural is to go with minimal design. And for me to design Neo-Brutalism on things that are more wild, it's difficult, although I like very much Neo-Brutalism. For me, it's wow. I want to add a little bit more here. I will ask it to add more confetti to the post. And the thing is that I will ask it to add animations that after 1000 milliseconds, it will appear on the screen. I have here the prompt, please add much more confetti, make a delay of 1000 milliseconds before it starts. So I will hit now send, it's finished, let's accept all the changes, go to our post, click on refresh. I don't like how it looks now, but now it's okay, but it started not so good. I want it will have more Neo-Brutalism character, so I will ask it to do it now. I paste here a prompt, add much more Neo-Brutalism character to the design. It is not enough. Play with the elements, colors, and typography. Hit button, let's see the result. In the meantime, it's work. I want to show you another design I did before, and you can see the differences, but I work with the same technique. So I'm here. I click on the refresh because there is an animation here. You will see now, you see the confetti, and I get this design also with the same technique. So you can see that the Neo-Brutalism here, it's much more notified. And again, I didn't say to the AI how to design. I just gave it some basic guidelines. I didn't talk about colors, typography, nothing. Finished, let's click on accept. I'm here in design of today. Click refresh, and you can see now that it's crazy now. I don't know what to say, but celebration, yes, looks nice. I don't think I will be able to design something like that very easily because I am not used to designing that way. Thanks so much for watching. If you are looking for a product designer to level up your business, or you are curious about bringing AI into your workflow, my contact info down in the description. Feel free to reach out anytime. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I love to hear your thought or any question you have got. See you on the next one. Take care.